All right, onwards and upwards. Challenge 12. In order to complete this challenge, the first thing I need you to do is to delete this console log inside our app.js. Make sure that there's no other log statements inside this file other than inside our app.listen. Because instead of logging the posts inside here, I want you to be able to pass it over to our home.ejs and log it from here instead. There's a couple of steps to this and you might have to think about it, but this is the end outcome. You want to be able to log exactly the same thing, the post array, but this time inside the home.ejs. Pause the video, give it a think, and give it a go. All right, here's my first hint. Remember that using res.render, the second parameter that we're passing in to this function is essentially a JavaScript object. And we've already seen what JavaScript objects look like, and we know that you can have more than one key value pair as long as you simply just add a comma in between them. So instead of simply just passing over the starting content, we also want to pass over the posts array using this res.render method. So pause the video and see if that was enough of a hint to complete the challenge. All right, here comes hint number 2. If you look at the EJS docs, you know that there's a whole bunch of different tags that we can use. And the one that we've shown you before is the scriptlet tag, which allows you to write JavaScript inside the EJS file. With that in mind, you should be able to complete the challenge and log the posts array from within the home.ejs file. Pause the video and complete the challenge.